welcome back to Talks, the podcast where we different professions and their pros in today's world. So, I'm your host, Tita Naisila Ramadhani, and today's topic, how important English is today for translator jobs. To help understand more, we have special guest, professional translator, Rifka. Hello, Rifka.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here.
We're happy to have you. Let's start simple. Can you tell what translator actually is?
Sure, a translator is someone who converts written text from one language into another. This can include documents, books, articles, multi-subtitle, website, and more.
That sounds fascinating. Now let's talk about English. How important is English in today world in your opinion?
Honestly, it's extremely important. English is a global language. It connects people from different countries. It's used in education, business, technology, science, entertainment, and even daily communication. If you understand English, uh, you can have access to more information.
Exactly. And when it comes to translation work, why is English choose a key skill?
Because most translation jobs involve English, either as the source language or the target language. For example, many projects require translating from English to Indonesia or from Indonesia to English. Also, a lot of clients and companies communicate in English. So, translators need to understand and use English professionally, not just casual.
Right. So it's not only about grammar or vocabulary, but also understanding the culture and the context, right?
Yes, that's a big part of it. A good translator doesn't translate word by word. They consider the tone, cultural background, and technical terms. For example, legal or medical documents use very specific language, or in novel, translators need to keep the emotion and style of the original text. English skills help us capture this detail accurately.
That makes sense. Before we warm up, could you share short message for listening? Wow, are learning English or is become translators?
Of course, my advice is start small and be consistent. Practice your English every day. Read, listen, write, and speak. Trying translating simple text to train your brain to switch between language. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because that's how you learn. And most importantly, enjoy the process. The more you practice, the better you'll become.
Beautiful say. Thank you, Ripka, for sharing your experience and tips with us. I'm sure many listening are experienced to improve their English or explore translation as career.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.
And then is for today episode of Career Talks. We hope you enjoy this conversation about how important English is today and for translator jobs. And see you next time.